Hello everyone, this is Febrina. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so being an online marketer, entrepreneur, and digital marketer, so you may be tired of jumping from one system to another. Okay, so that's why we need a proper system for that. So you may need the help of a CRM. So what is a CRM? So CRM is a customer relationship management tool. It's a technology for managing all your company's relationship and interactions with customers and potential customers. So, in short, it is the interaction with your past, current, and potential customers. Okay, so the goal is simple: is to improve business relationships. So, which means as you scale your business as an entrepreneur, you need a system to keep you organized because you on the customer journey on the funnel. So you may have people that are not ready to purchase your products yet, so you have to either to segmentize it. It's either this could be just a lead, this could be nurture, or this is ready to buy. So you need a proper system for that. So you need a customer relationship management that is a good tool to help you sort things out. And with that, okay, so here, um, I'd like to introduce to you Getresponse. Actually, before I really explored Getresponse, I thought before that it was just another email service provider. I thought that's just all it does. But then, as I explored this wonderful tool, um, I realized that it has its own CRM tool to keep your business organized. And this is why I really want to introduce this company, GetResponse. And they, not to mention that they have good customer service. They really respond well. Maybe that's why they're called GetResponse. Okay, so so for you business entrepreneurs, especially solopreneurs, who don't want to get headaches of having to jump from one tool to another, GetResponse has their built-in CRM system. Okay, so here I will show you a video to see how it works. All right, are you ready? Okay, here we go.
Line with Getresponse CRM, you'll have everything you need to help you turn your email leads into sales, all in one place. You'll collect, nurture, sell, and repeat from one account. Collect your contacts and leads, nurture them with targeted messages and touch points. When the time is right, close that winning deal with a sale. Then enjoy repeat sales again and again through your finely tuned sales pipeline. Now's the time to power up your sales process and close more winning deals through an easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. By managing your customer relationships with deals and stages that you define, you can connect with your deals at key touch points in your nurturing funnel. You'll be ready when they're ready. GetResponse CRM allows you to keep all of your leads information in one place and make informed decisions. The setup couldn't be simpler. Define a lead owner, closing date, and deal value. Then, easily sort and track your deal's performance to spot the quickest wins at a glance. And then drag and drop your deals forward in the pipeline. Add tasks and comments to your deals to stay on top of your daily sales and nurturing activities. Make your email list work for you using the combined power of CRM, email marketing, automation, and more. Ready to optimize your sales process and start earning big with your email list? Then start building your custom sales pipelines with GetResponse CRM now.
All right, there you go. See, it's GetResponse is making it easier for you. So you have, as you said, CRM, email marketing, and automation all in one place. So you don't have to jump from one tool to another, one software to another. It's all there in one place, and it's keeping you organized. And as you can see, it has a drag and drop, easy to use interface, especially if you're non-techie like me. Okay. All right, thank you so much, guys. I hope you learn more about CRM and how a tool like Guest Response can help you with that, to make things easier, more systematic, okay, to quickly keep things in place. Okay, and especially this is for those people who doesn't really have a streamlined process yet, and who may need the help of an automated system. Okay, thank you, and for your email marketing needs and for your marketing tips, just please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Feel free and hit the notification button so that you will be updated of new videos coming up. All right. Thank you so much, loves. Have a nice day. Mwah.